Planning a trip to Bohol? Make sure that you add this to your list. The Lobok River Cruise. Susubukan nyo mag-lunch dito sa kanilang floating restaurants and experience the things that you only see on postcards. So, sulit nga ba? Okay, so this is our whole Lobok Cruise experience. So, sa halagang 1,000 pesos, makakapag-buffet ka na with Filipino dishes. And guys, only to. So, pwede kang kumuha kahit ilang ulit pa. And you will also get to experience the beauty of nature and its culture. So, this is their entrance and this is where you will pay. So, 700 pesos for senior citizens and PWDs. So, iba din ang rate for kids. So, meron din silang mga art displays dito, mga paintings, and mga native handbags. You can also purchase other souvenirs at the exit, guys. By doing this, you can support the locals. So, tangkilikin natin ang sarili nating atin. By the way, guys, 2 p.m. ang last trip nila. You can book naman ahead through their local numbers. So, we will just go straight up here for gates 1 to 5. At ito yung sasalubong sa inyo. So we really felt special with their warm welcome. It showcases their talents and culture. So we are now hopping on board. Naghanap kami ng magandang spot. Yung malapit sa front yung napili namin. So once na meron na kayong table, pwede na kayong kumuha ng food. So meron silang sinigang, barbecue, chicken, seafood, pansit, at ang pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat is ang kaldereta. Meron din silang fruits, kakanin, vegetable salad, and desserts. Grabe, ang sarap ng food dito, guys. Exceptional talaga. I wonder kung sino chef dito. So, kudos to the chef. Nakailang balik kami sa sobrang sarap. So, I would highly recommend na dito kayo mag-lunch. May enjoy mo din talaga yung food mo kasi ang ganda ng view. Meron ding nagper-perform ng live music habang kumakain kayo. They are playing traditional Filipino songs. So, mga 1 to 2 hours matatapos yung cruise. So, after nyo kumain, guys, pwede na kayong mag-picture-picture. Meron din silang official photographers para kumuha sa inyo ng picture. So, it's up to you if kukunin mo yung kuha nila. 150 pesos per picture yata yon. So, ayan na, magsa-stop over kami dito dahil magpa-perform yung locals ng traditional dance nila. So, pwede kayong bumaba at mag-join sa kanila. So, yung dalawa kong sisters nag-join sila at sumayaw. Na-delete lang yung video, guys, kaya hindi ko maipakita sa inyo. So, nakakatuwang tingnan dahil na-preserve pa rin yung culture nila. So, mag-enjoy lang kayo, guys, throughout the cruise. Kasi as you go further, mas gumaganda yung view. And napaka-instagrammable talaga. So, kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa postcards, ganun din talaga siya sa personal. So, we really had such an amazing time here. At sa tingin ko, sulit naman yung babayaran ninyo. It's not just the boat ride, but the experience, the food, the music, the scenery, the culture, it's all amazing. So, sulit talaga. So, i-add nyo na to para maging complete yung Bohol experience nyo. Bye!